County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3:15.
Looks like this one is this time.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Aroma Park to Marquito, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated 60 miles per hour.
It looks like this one is in side of south, northeast, east central, and one in Indiana. Looks like it's affecting the Kankakee area and the other towns and villages across Illinois and Indiana.
For your protection means to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Now, it looks like this is for our area, but where is it going to be this time?
Central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Will County in Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana.
Looks like it's this time for Will, Cook County, and Lake in Indiana. That is not going to affect the Chicago metropolitan area, but it looks like it's affecting Tinley Park and Arlen Park.
Damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Palos Heights, West Town, Dyer, Preston Heights, Chicago Lawn. Central room and the sturdy structure. Tornadoes go at once into the basement or small central room and the sturdy floor of a building. A tornado watch to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The current time is 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service.